How to sign up for Pbe account for League of Legends. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pbe, and today I'll guide you on how you can sign up for Pbe account for League of Legends. Well, there are certain requirements, so let's talk about requirements first. To sign up, your live League of Legends account must be Honor level 2 with no bans or restrictions. Your account can be on any region except Korea and any level. So if your account is in good standing, you'll be able to create your Pbe account immediately. What you'll have to note is that you can only have one Pbe account per live account. So if you have one live account, then you'll have one Pbe account for that particular account. If you already have a Pbe account, but if you need recovering it, I'll make a separate video on it, so do comment down below for it. First thing, in order to sign up, you want to head into your browser and you want to search in for sign up Pbe account. So here, if the registration is particularly available here, it will show up. So currently I don't think it's available right now, but you'll get the link right here if it's ready. So you want to head into it and you want to tap on login, and you want to log in using your right account or right client account. Once you do so, what you can do is then once you're logged in with your account, your right account, then you want to tap or click on check my eligibility for Pbe registration. Once you go through it, it'll ask you to set up a username and password. You want to set it up and then you want to tap on sign me up, and then you're good to go. Now what you'll have to understand is if you already have right client installed, then you'll not need to download any file that will ask you to download. It'll ask you to download the Pbe client. If you already have right client, you don't need it. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.